Hello friends. Whenever we upload a video on YouTube, so we create its title, description, and tags using ChatGPT or Google Gemini. And the thumbnail of this video, that matters most. You are making videos on any niche. YouTube niche is the specific topic, or category your channel focuses on. But, a YouTube thumbnail is vital. Because, it acts as the first impression and primary advertisement for your video. Usually, viewers will first see your thumbnail and title. That's why our thumbnail should be very attractive, so that people are forced to click on our thumbnail instead of scrolling down. So, YouTube has also solved the problem of creating thumbnails. So let's see how we can make a thumbnail from YouTube. YouTube has solved the thumbnail creation problem. Here you have entered the YouTube Studio of your channel. YouTube Studio is the official free backend dashboard. Here you have to click on Content. Keep any video you upload unlisted, without thumbnail. I have uploaded a thumbnail here, but I am doing this to explain it to you. Now click on the video you want to make a thumbnail of. So, this is how your video details will appear in front of you. It will contain the video's title, description, and its tags below. Now we want YouTube to create a thumbnail for this video. You will see a star-shaped icon up here. This icon is for Ask Studio, so click on it, where the Ask Studio panel will now open. And you will see options in it. One is How can Ask Studio help me? Here you will also find an option to create a thumbnail. Click on this option, so it will start creating a thumbnail of your video. This will review your request. This will analyze and get specific details for your entire video. It will also analyze your title, description, and tags. And after doing all this, it will give you a thumbnail. It is currently choosing the best options. It will then refine the visual concept. And finally it will create a thumbnail for you. This means you don't need ChatGPT or Gemini to make a thumbnail. Or you don't even need to create a thumbnail in Photoshop. So, you can see that he made a thumbnail. And below it will write the full details of why he created this thumbnail. Typically, it can generate 1 to 3 thumbnails. Here he has created a single thumbnail and written its full details below. You can download this thumbnail from here. Now you don't need any other platform to create a thumbnail for your video. This feature in YouTube Studio will create a thumbnail. And of course, it will create the thumbnail according to the thumbnail size. And then you can upload your thumbnail from here. YouTube has brought this great feature for its users. And after that, you can ask yourself something here too. If you want to change the description, you can also have it written by it. You can also change your title if you want to. Even if you give it a prompt here for tags, it will generate those tags for you too. I hope you like this video about this new feature. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.